one that is precious is uh
One good, solid, loyal, feminine, caring woman is better than 1,000 thoughts. Better than 1,000 hoes. And I'm going to tell you why, man. You know, sleeping around could be a fun pastime. It could be cool. It could be like entertaining. It could be a good story for when you're with the bros. But let's be honest, man. Most of us are happiest when we're in a committed, solid, loving, supporting relationship. I think that's just the case for most human beings. You know, we can lie to ourselves and pretend that like, oh, it's so fun to party and sleep around and do this, do that. I mean, you always got to worry about whether you're wrapping it up or not, who's got this disease, who doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Are they stepping out on me? Are they talking to somebody else? Man, when you're in a loyal, committed relationship, you don't got to worry about none of that. None of that, man. And the sex hits different, let's be honest. One good woman is better than 1,000 thoughts, bro. I don't care what anybody says, man. Wifey right now is probably at Whole Foods. She's probably a park ranger, bro. She ain't online.
Do you think men are stupid? Men are not. Everybody want the best. They want the best woman. Men date women they love and marry women they need. That's why many men date us. They date us. They are meant for party. They are meant for arm candy, just for sex, for fun. They love them. You know, they are the spec, a big wood, a big yams, everything. They just love it. But immediately they find a good woman, okay, they get out of her. They won't ever let her go because men want the best. They want a good woman. You see, a lot of men say, I deserve a good lady. Yeah, because they want, who doesn't want the best? Who doesn't want the best? Everybody wants the best. I also want the best man. So that's why men always find a good man to date and to marry and to be the mother of their kids. It's just what it is. Let me tell you the fact. So men can date us for years. They love dating us. Yeah, they can have sex with you for years and still not marry you. But immediately they find a good woman, they marry her. Immediately. And sometimes I ask myself, am I a good woman? What does it mean to be a good woman? So to be a good woman, you don't have to be more religiously or more innocent, but to be a good woman is your value, your intrinsic value. The value that you bring. Okay, to get a man, you have to give him value. Value. The reason why he needs to. That's it. Yeah, if you can be a hoe too, like, and you give him value, and you want that value, you give him, he can marry you. So when I say a good woman, they mean a woman that gives them value, a woman that brings value to them, a woman that brings peace, that brings stability to their life. That's what men means as a good woman. A good woman is someone that is kind, not pretenders. Like you are kind naturally. You don't pretend. You are compassionate. You have respect. You are loyal. You are committed to them. Everybody wants to be the first, the best, because men feel awkward when they are the second. Because you know that they also have many men they are dating. That's why men love good women, because they want a committed, a loyal woman that is made for them, like just me and her. She's all dating me. Men like to believe that their woman will not cheat on them. Yes, that's the truth. Because they want to feel first. They want to feel she puts me as a priority. Like she's faithful to me, she's committed to me, she respects me, she cares for me, she's compassionate. You know, everybody wants that kind of woman. Every man in his right sense want that kind of woman. That is why us are always end us as a time playing chess for men. Yeah, it's just what it is. Because you are us. They know that you want money. Yeah, you want money, you want the fun, you want a party, and they'll give it to you. Have sex with them. Fine. But they marry the woman needs. Yeah. Oh, it's a woman they love. Yeah, they love. You are the spec. But when you see that this man marry a woman, and this is not his spec. Yes, because it's not spec, but the main thing, the main ingredient, the main spice is see in that woman is good. She's a good woman. Yeah, she's the best of the best. That's why men choose good woman over horse. Men choose good woman over horse. Do you understand what I said? Men choose good woman over horse. So we need to change our ways. Sometimes you need to be more real, more neutral. It's okay to be real, be kind. You don't have to pretend that you're a hoe. You don't have to pretend that you're the baddest queen or you're the baddest girl, just a god man. No, yeah, men love those things, but they will never marry them. They will just use them as arm candy. You will like, I'm just using them as arm candy. It's just what it is. Yeah, because that's what we meant for. That's what all meant for. Mm. So, if you want me to make more videos on us and good women, please make sure you comment down below. Comment, I will check your comments because I love to interact with you guys. I will check your comment and I will check your comments and I'll be sure I'll make more videos about hoes and good women. In another video, make sure you comment. Just comment. Subscribe, like, and I will see you in another video. I love you. Because it's got you every day.